Welcome back to Sintra. In part 2 of our tour, we're leaving the village behind and climbing higher into the clouds. The path to the Moorish castle is a journey through a lush ancient forest that feels like another world entirely. Built in the 8th and 9th centuries, this fortress was a strategic stronghold during the Moorish occupation of the peninsula. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Walking along these ramparts, you can feel the centuries of history beneath your feet. It's one of the most immersive ways to experience Sintra's past. The castle features several watchtowers, each offering a different vantage point over the surrounding valleys. From here, the colorful Pina Palace looks like a bright jewel perched on the neighboring peak. On a clear day, you can see all the way to the Atlantic Ocean, stretching out toward the horizon. The mist often rolls through the castle, adding to its mysterious and ethereal atmosphere. We're heading toward the keep, the highest and most protected part of the fortress. The view from the top is absolutely breathtaking. You are truly on top of the world here. It's easy to see why this location was chosen. The natural cliffs provided a formidable defense against any invaders. In the 19th century, King Ferdinand II restored the ruins, embracing the romantic spirit of the era. Nature has reclaimed much of the stone, with ivy and moss softening the rugged edges of the fortress. It's a place of quiet reflection, far removed from the bustle of the modern world below. As we begin our descent, we take one last look at these ancient stones that have stood the test of time. The forest takes on a different character as the sun begins to set, the light dancing through the leaves. The Pina Palace looms in the distance, our final destination for the third part of our tour. Leaving the fortress, we carry with us a sense of the power and history that defines this landscape. Sintra's Moorish castle is more than just a ruin. It's a testament to the diverse cultures that have shaped Portugal. Next time, we'll reach the summit of the mountain to explore the whimsical and colorful Pina Palace. Thank you for watching part 2. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.